welcome Mr. Sanu Sheikh.
Yes, Sanu!
Hi guys, hi everyone. I don't want to take too much of your time, but in March we will find out exactly what I'm doing behind the company. But guys, I want to tell you something. There is no secret to success. There is a system to success, and the system only works if you put the work in it, and that is Validus. It's going to be $1 billion company, with or without those who, who want to be part of us or not. It's going to be $1 billion company. Thank you very much, guys. That's
Welcome, bro. Welcome.
We got Mansoor now, so.
Yeah. I'm just the host. But guys, this was an absolute pleasure, and I don't want to keep all our guests standing, but I have to give it back. This is, of course, all the people who are with us, who are working with us, who work on a corporate level in business relationships, and here in this room and around the world, we have the real people who deserve all the credit for everything in Validus, and those are the leaders that are working in the field. Every single one of you, every single person who's bringing, going, doing the presentations, doing those. We are just providing the platform. It is you guys who deserve all the success. And I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Everyone here shares this passion that you guys are there, and we're going to do our ultimate best to provide the best possible platform for you to go and build the life of your dreams. So thank you very much for being here. We're going to close the ceremony now. And yes, we miss one very, very dear friend of ours who unfortunately couldn't make it. He is also, one of the strongest pillars of Validus, who's, without him, literally nothing would be here right now, who is Mr. Salman Butt from Pakistan. He's there right now. He lives in London, but unfortunately he got stuck with some family commitments. So unfortunately he couldn't make it, but we hope to see him in the first international event. So thank you all very, very much for being here, and enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll see you very, very soon somewhere around the world.
Thank you.